Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a song that legally clears Facebook use, public domain, CC0, CC BY, or a paid royalty-free license. Read the license, confirm commercial rights and whether derivatives are allowed. Once done, download the master file and save the license text or screenshot, plus the artist's contact info. You do this because documentation stops disputes before they start. Make sure file format is MP3 or AAC and keep an unedited backup. That backup proves provenance if a takedown occurs. You now edit and prepare the track so Facebook treats it as your cleared audio. Normalize levels, trim long intros, and export at a standard bitrate like 192 kbps or higher. If the license requires attribution, write it exactly in the video caption. Title, artist, license type, link to license. Once done, keep timestamps of where the song starts and ends and retain original metadata. These steps reduce automatic matches and make disputes resolvable, so handle them before upload. You upload the video with the attribution in the caption and select monetization settings that match your rights. After publishing, monitor notifications and the copyright claim area. Save claim ID and screenshots immediately. If a claim appears, respond by submitting the license, screenshot, and file backup. Explain how the license covers your use. Once done, if the claim is denied, replace the song with an alternate cleared track and reupload. Quick tip: keep all license evidence in one folder for fast responses to takedowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.